My name is Kishore. Um, I started my treatment here in May, but I would like to share something with you before I started this treatment. I started with the pharmaceutical treatment before doing this treatment. I saw this ad on TV about regain foam, and I thought it's something better, like just easy to apply and use. So I got that treatment. I went to the pharmacy and I bought that foam and I said start using it. I started using it, and within 6-7 days I found that the skin of my fingers were peeling off. So I thought to myself, if that's happening to me on my fingers, so what will be the state of my scalp? So I said nothing to me. I said I don't want this. I went back to them. I said, see, this is what is happening. I don't want this product. I returned it back. And then once when I was just crossing this road, I saw this board here, Australia Hair and Scalp Clinic. So I said, might as well just come here and see what treatment I can get. So when I came and met Louis, he said, let's have your scalp analysis done. So he saw my scalp thing and he said, okay, let's start with the 2-month treatment. So I started with the 2 months treatment, and before I could start the treatment, I can see the baldness patch. It was quite huge. And within about few weeks, I could see a lot of improvement, And 2 months time, you can see the difference, the patch is almost filling up. So after that I said, it's really good, it's really helping me, and now I'm going to start with the 8 months treatment. So that's about it.